Hello everyone, welcome to MathSci. Today we are going to discuss about a conical pendulum. What a conical pendulum is, as you can see on the diagram, and more importantly, the physics of it and the formula. Now, the conical pendulum is in equilibrium in the vertical direction because it does not change its height. So, the upward force Tcosθ, which is the cos component of the tension, and the downward force mg should be the sign. So in the vertical direction for equilibrium, we can say Tcosθ is equal to mg. Let's call this equation 1. Now, towards the center, this is accelerating, centripetal acceleration. We can write the equation F is equal to ma. Now, the force acting towards the center, or the centripetal force here, is T sine theta. Now we can write T sine theta is equal to ma, but a is v squared over r. Now obviously we can divide 2 by 1. So we get T sine theta divided by T cos theta is equal to mv squared over r divided by mg is the same as times by 1 over mg. And now you can see the mass gets cancelled out here. Now t and t gets cancelled out too. Sine theta divided by cos theta is tan theta is equal to v squared over rg. Now this is the formula of conical pendulum. In the exam, you can get questions to derive it directly, or sometimes calculations using this formula. That's the conical pendulum fully explained. If you are revising for A Level Physics, don't stop there. Hit subscribe and check for my other videos on the channel. There are multiple videos on A Level Physics, including both theory and exam practice. Let's keep mastering physics together.